I'd like to throw out a question here. Is there a way for us to integrate all these different perceptions and different words that we human beings have created? And just to bring in something from the book of Genesis, in the Old Testament, Adam and Eve were thrown out of the Garden of Eden when they ate of the tree of knowledge, when they created separating, divisive, categorizing words. Now, the words are really useful, and we can choose how we're going to use them. But look at all the words that everyone is coming up with here when we're all looking at the same image, which does not change, but the words about it sure do change. And to me, it's fascinating just to hear all your comments. Some of you are seeing things I have never seen in these images before, and I've been playing with these for a lot of years.